Hello, today I will practice the sound. Let's practice with me. Think, thank. 3. Thursday, thirsty, 30. Thumb, mouth, teeth, bathroom, bathroom. Health, healthy, wealth, wealthy, health is wealth. Thing, something, anything, everything, nothing. I'm thirsty, I need something to drink. I'm thinking about my future. Let me think about it. Nothing is impossible. Now, I will practice the making sentences with th and th. If you don't water your plants every day, the leaves will change color and fall off. There is an apple in the bucket. There are 40 students in my class. There is a monster. There are 3 monsters. This is a book. She is over there. That is my picture. Those are the house. This is my motorbike. This is my lamp. These are my pens. This is a glass. They are my friends. They are my friends. They are cleaning the garden. I eat breakfast and then go to work. Health is wealth. I think this homework is very easy. I am thinking about my parents. I want to think about my family. I am thinking about breakfast for my children. These words are difficult to pronounce. Thank you for listening.